how you can remove icons from your desktop without uninstalling them. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove these kind of icons without actually uninstalling this application. So let's say if I want to remove this icon right here, VLC Media Player, this is just a shortcut, so it doesn't matter if you delete it from your desktop. The file is going to be on your PC and you can use it anytime you want. So let's say if I just want to delete it, I can right click and delete. Or if you don't want this to stay on your recycle bin, then you can just shift and delete. So instead of just delete, you can just select it and click shift plus delete. It will permanently delete this shortcut. But what this will do is it won't uninstall the application. So if I search for VLC on my search bar, it will show me this app right here. So it has not been uninstalled, but only the icon from desktop has been removed. And that's how you can easily remove the icon from desktop without uninstalling. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.